My vestibular system has to be in like peak condition for skating, and you can tell. You won't be able to do one thing. You'll turn and you'll feel it. So I think it's really important because I think with concussive events in general, the upper cervical spine can be overlooked, right? I mean, anytime you have a concussive event, you're probably going to have upper cervical problems too. And I think what I learned here is to take care of my thoracic spine, my neck strength, because all of that plays a role in vertigo, right? I mean, even if you have weakness in those little tiny muscles in your neck, that can cause vertigo in itself. So I think it's really important to keep that strong. I started coming to Thrive in March of 2019, and I believe I went back to the ice a couple weeks after that, so probably closer to April of 2019. So it was really a short span. I started to feel better pretty quickly doing the upper cervical adjustments, doing the Denneroll, that I still use to this day. So all of these tools kind of got me back really quickly. I think those muscles started to wake up a bit, so some of the vertigo started to dissipate a bit.